You see to scroll down. Yes, can you see, guys? And we use press A to scrolling up again. Yes, it worked. Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a scroll. Yes, scroll in C programming. So like we have a lot of information, so you need to create a scroll to scroll information. So without further ado, let's jump to my video. So as you can see, I already write in. So I'm clear when the program start, I'm clear all information on the screen and print one, input information, and create new line, and print two, and to show information. My program will use switch and case in my main program, because when you press number 1 to input information and number 2 to show information. Now I'm going to create new function called input to create input function. You can write it in main program, but now declare array dimensional and store it in child variable. 200 mean raw, and 3 mean column, and each element can store. I'm not good at program, guy, but I will share my knowledge as much as I can to you guys. So if you don't understand, you can drop in the comment. I will explain to you more. Now I'm print input, and I use getAs to take information to my array 2-dimensional, and unmean. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to declare. And you before we write this, you have to declare n equals 0 first, because array 2-dimensional start from index row 0 and column 0. So we store PID in n0 and column 1, and name in column 2, and quantity in column 3. So if you don't know, don't understand about array 2-dimensional, you can ask me in the comment. I will make another video to share to you, because it's really hard to explain for me. And press enter to import again, because use do loop to do that. So when you press enter, you will input it again. Yes, and press something else to leave. Now create new function, call it show, to show my information. So before you can scroll information, you need to have a lot of information first. Yes, like me, create input function to input a lot of information. Example, when I have 100 information, so your screen can't show all this information, so you have to create scroll to scroll information. Yeah, so I will show you in this video. So after finish the video, I will drop my code in description. You can download it and run it on your computer. I write this program on Turbo C++, so if you write on different IDE from me, it maybe has something else, some error. Yes, because it is different, a little different. So now I'm creating a switch function, yeah, to like when you press number 1 to input information, and you input number 2 to show information. If you don't understand this switch and case, can drop in the comment. I will make another video to explain this. So this video show you how to scroll, so I'm focused on scroll. So I use do loop in my main program, yes, to do it again and again and again until you press escape key on your keyboard to leave. Now guys, this is the scroll algorithm that I'm showing you, as you can see in the video. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to create a do loop, like we do in our main program. So remember guys, if you want to scroll information, you will need a loop to do that, as you can see. Now I'm set a condition guys. If C8 equal to A, mean I want to scroll information up, and when C8 equal to Z, or when you press Z, you scroll information down. Okay. Oh yes, in my for loop I'm wrong guys. I use E equal to J and E less than J plus 3. Yes, mean I'm show information 3 line of information, and if my information. I have 10 raw of information. It show only 3 raw of my information, and another information I need to use A or Z to scroll. Yeah, this is a scroll algorithm guide in my show function. You can write like me, or you can copy my program. I will drop in description below. You can take it and run it on Turbo C++, or you don't know how to run it, I will show you if you want. So I think I'm done. So let's compile together. Yeah, success guy and run together. It calls 009 Coca and 008 and quantity and yes guy, I'm try to input a lot of information to show you it work or not. Let's see together. Yeah, so I'm press enter to input information again and again, and press something else to leave, and now I think it maybe enough. So yes, let's press number 2 to start testing our program. Yes, use C to scroll down. Yes, can you see guys? And we use press A to scrolling up again. Yes, it worked. Now I think my program is done. Yes, I can scroll information now. I hope you like my video, and you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Yes, this is all my code. You can copy